Hi everyone, Mike from Cloudmeyer Construction. We're out on the job site. We recently completed a roof here for Gina out in Redline. Gina, so first off, how did you hear about Cloudmeyer Construction?
I actually saw you guys installing a roof on somebody else's house after multiple months of trying to get someone to just come out and give me a quote and being ignored and not responded to, and got your business card, and you guys were here 2 days later. So
Great. We like that. We're happy to help. So how was your experience for this? How did everything go from start to finish?
it was amazing. You guys were able to get me the purple roof that I wanted. I don't know if y'all can see it from down there, but it's pretty badass. And you were timely, you were clean, and the guys took time to even talk to the kids about shingles and how they're made, and it was great. It's definitely indicative of a family-owned business.
Awesome. Well, we really appreciate that. And lastly, so why do you think people should consider using Cloudmeyer Construction on any of their roofing or siding, anything exterior projects?
You guys did a great job, and you were aware of my budget and stayed within it and worked with me, and you showed up. So I can't recommend you enough.
Awesome. Well, Gina, thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
business. It was great working with you, and
Absolutely.
we appreciate all the kind words. Thanks so much.
No problem.